Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add your phone number to the Nike app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First, let's open Nike app. Here it opens up in the shop menu, but in the top left corner there are these three lines. We have to tap on those. And from here, we have to go into the settings. And in this menu, on the top, there is a mobile number. We tap on that. Here we can enter our mobile number and get notifications or get contacted by Nike if there are some events nearby or about a delivery, stuff like that. So that's pretty much it for this video. Don't forget to subscribe and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.